I had this decision, knee replacement or not. All right. Now, if you look at the picture on the right of the screen, okay, you can actually see my X-rays. Okay, I did MRI, but MRI I won't show because they're all very, very small down here. But I did this in 2005. That means I was about 46 years old then. Okay, at 46 years old already, the doctor tell me for your knee, you already meet the criteria to do knee replacement. But then I will not replace for you, because if I replace for you at 40 something, 60, when you're 60 something, you got to come back and do a replacement, another replacement of the replacement. Okay, because at that time, the surgery, the knee replacement could only last for about 20 years. All right, so that's why he decided not to. Now, how come I, at such young age, 40 something, already need knee replacement? Because most people would need theirs around 60, 60 odd. So this is why lah, okay? Because I used to play hockey. I used to play hockey, and until the early 2000. So during that, all these years that I've been playing hockey at competitive level, it is taking its toll on my knees. All right, and also, okay, I was also in the military, so I do parachute jumping. I run in boots. I walk long distances with full pack and all this. So it also took its toll on my knee. Okay, now, so I have been waiting until I turned 60 to make that decision, right? So this year I am 60 years old, right? But last year, thank goodness, I was introduced to LifeWave. I was introduced to X39. So I actually used X39. So after using it for about 3 weeks, I realized that when I walk, I still continue to do my walk and my jog at that time, but very, very slow. Every time I jog, let's say I were to go for an hour walk, by the time I come back, my knees will be swollen, okay? And I have to rest about 3-4 days before I can do another walk, okay? But this time, when I start using X39, I actually went walking, and it never gave me problem. The next day, the day after, also no problem. So I realized that, maybe it's helping. So I started running even. I run first day, on the third week, I run 1 day. Nothing happened, right? I was so happy. So the next day, I went running again. Again, it didn't swell up. Everything was normal. I was like, wow, this patch is really wonderful, right? On the third day, I decided that, okay, I want to push myself and see what happened. I pushed myself. I actually ran at a rate, okay, that is more than jogging. It's about 7 minutes plus per kilometer. That's, at my age, is considered pushing already. I was like very amazed that it didn't swell up. There was no pain at all. So I told myself, wow, I indeed can avoid this knee replacement surgery. I was so happy. Okay, so, well, we have another example. Let me show you another example of someone